Good morning. Today is a new day, second day of our Huttopia glamping trip. We are here wide awake trying to get some breakfast. This is a beautiful cafe. We ordered some breakfast and we are waiting for it to come. It's beautiful. Huttopia is in the hammock. Do you want me to swing it a little? Let me try. We are waiting for the breakfast. Time for some badminton. Tapu and Baba in one team, Tupu and Devraj in another. Time for some volleyball. Baba. Leah is also ready with her life vest, but I don't know whether she wants to go or not. একটা নে You're swimming! You're the natural swimmer! Please eat this here! Good job, Lizzie! Good job, Leah. Good job, Leah. After canoeing and swimming in the pond, now we are doing our lunch. Leah also swam and now she is drying herself up. There she is. Leah. Overall, it's a very beautiful place. If you guys want to come, it's lovely. You can come with kids, your dogs. It's wonderful. Very fun. Lunch in the backyard. What a beautiful location to have lunch. Tapur is now paddle boarding. After Tapur, Tupur will take. We have booked 1 hour. Tapur, how is it? Is it tough?
No, it's way easier to control than the snow.
But you have to balance yourself, right?
Not really.
Wait, Leah has a friend.
He's a friend.
Beautiful evening. We are at the deck. Tapur and Tupur is paddle boarding and we are watching them. That's Tapur Tupur. Leah? Leah, relaxing? Leah relaxing in the deck. Taina? So today evening we have to plan and set up our fire. Last night the campfire was not a super hit. So this time Debraj is totally set his mind up. He has seen some YouTube videos. He has got all inflammables possible so that we light up our fire pit. That's gonna be an adventure.
Where is it? Where is it?
People are busy creating the fire here for the campfire night. And meanwhile, that's rice that's getting cooked. That's biryani that we need to warm up. And that's dal. And this is dimshiddo.
Need more fire.
বাবুর বউ এসে দেখতে ভারী খাসা উলো কুটি ধুলো কুটি গৌরী হেন ঝি তোর কপালে বুড়া বর করবো আমি কি আসিনো
ভালো করে ধর। স্যালাড নে, স্যালাড নিয়ে নে, কিউকাম্বার নে।
Oh, me?
টুকুন নাও।
Any fork? To even my hands? Alright.
আর ওখানে আছে বোধহয়
I'm gonna
ফোর্ক।
wash my hands.
ফোর্ক, হ্যাঁ। Leah did not eat any of her kibble because it was a new place, she was adjusting, so I had to hand feed her some rice and she loved eating from my hand. আমাদের আজকের ডিনার বিরিয়ানি। বাবা, এটা কি আমাদের স্টার্টার? এরপরে ডাল ভাত ডিম সিদ্ধ। ইয়ামি,
ভালো আছে, নষ্ট হয়নি।
হ্যাঁ, lovely. Camping is not something that we can really do because we need separate bathrooms, we can't fix tents, but glamping is the best option for us. You get the flavor of camping but with a lot of stuff that other people do for you. We love it, don't we, girls?
Yeah,
Yeah.
but I wouldn't be afraid to try camping.
Tapur tupur, karap. Today is our last day, so making the maximum use of it.
Yeah, it's raining a bit.
So they were playing in the playground, the beautiful playground. We had our breakfast already. Leah is here. Rock climbing. Leah's trying rock climbing. This is a beautiful Huttopia cafe bistro. That side are the tents and vistas. This is the parking, and the person who's pulling those are for your luggage. You can carry your luggage because cars are not allowed beyond a certain point. This is the cafe bistro. Beautiful. Tapur, you want to try your hand at football? Tapur, kyo duck?
Tapur!
Tapur, let's see who wins.
Tapur, come here.
Touch. Try your hand at football and let's see who wins. time to say goodbye to Huttopia. That's it, guys. Our Huttopia camping or glamping trip comes to an end today. We are headed home with a heavy heart but a heart full of memories, and we plan to be back here maybe next summer. I enjoyed it thoroughly. The kids loved it and Leah loved it too. Bye. See you in my next vlog.